Are you planning to install Hyper 5 in your Windows 11 computer? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy solutions that you can use to fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Option 1. Using the Notepad. To initiate this process, you first need to open the Notepad. Once you do that, type the script that you can now see on the screen. You can take a screenshot or go to the video description to find the script. Now press Ctrl+S to open the Save dialog. Then in the File Name field, type hyper-v.bat. Now remember that the .bat extension at the end of the file name is important to execute the script. After that, click the drop-down for Save as Type and select All Files. Now, click on the Save button to save the file. Next, locate the hyper-v.bat file and right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Once you complete this process, the script will start executing in the command prompt to install Hyper 5. It may take some time, so wait till the process is complete. Once completed, you will see the message Operation completed successfully. Then type Y to confirm and restart your PC. If not, enter N to exit the command prompt. Now after this process is complete, make sure you are restarting the PC to implement the changes. Option 2. Using the command prompt. You can also take the assistance to the command prompt to install Hyper 5 in your computer. To initiate this process, press Windows+S and type command prompt. After that, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Then type the command. We will put the command in the description box. After this, your computer will install the Hyper 5, and once the process is complete, you will receive a completion message. And as mentioned previously, restart the computer once you are done. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to install Hyper 5 on your Windows 11 computer. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.